detailed English lesson where you will learn how to communicate confidently in real-life situations. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 everyday scenarios. In each one, I'll explain what you should say, how to ask questions, and how to respond naturally. These lessons are designed for self-practice and improvement. Take notes, repeat the sentences aloud, and use them in your daily life. Let's begin with our first scenario. Scenario 1. At a restaurant. When you go to a restaurant, there are several things you should know how to say. Let's break it down into key stages. Entering the restaurant. Good evening. Table for 2, please. We have a reservation under the name Kumar. Is there a table near the window? Understanding the menu. Could you give me a few minutes to decide? What is today's special? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? What's the most popular item on the menu? Placing an order. I'll have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes. Can I get that without onions? I'd like a glass of water, please. We're ready to order. During the meal, can we have some more napkins, please? This soup is delicious. Could you please refill the water? Can I get some extra ketchup? Paying and leaving. Can we have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Keep the change. Thank you. The food was amazing. Practice tips. Speak each line out loud. Practice ordering food using a mock menu. Visit a cafe and try using these sentences.
Scenario 2. At a job interview. Let's go over what to say in a job interview. Interviews are formal, so you should speak clearly and confidently. Greeting the interviewer. Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Talking about yourself. I'm a software engineer with 5 years of experience. I recently worked at ABC Tech, where I led a team of developers. I have strong problem-solving skills and enjoy working on complex projects. Answering common questions. Why should we hire you? Because I bring experience, dedication, and a collaborative mindset. What are your strengths? I'm organized, focused, and a good communicator. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself growing in leadership roles and contributing to the success of my team. Asking questions to the interviewer. Could you tell me more about the team I'll be working with? What does success look like in this role? What are the next steps in the hiring process? Closing the interview. Thank you once again. I'm really excited about this opportunity. It was great speaking with you. Practice tips. Record yourself answering questions. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Focus on clear pronunciation and tone.
Scenario 3. At the airport, 2,000 words. Traveling can be stressful, but knowing what to say in English can help a lot. At the check-in counter. Good morning. I have a flight to New York. Can I check in my luggage here? I'd like a window seat if available. Security check. Do I need to take off my shoes? Can I keep my laptop in the bag? Here's my boarding pass and ID. At the boarding gate, is the flight on time? When will boarding begin? Can I board early? Inside the plane. Excuse me, is this seat 12A? Can I get a blanket, please? What time will we land? At immigration and baggage claim. I'm here on vacation. I'll be staying at the Hilton Hotel. Where can I find my luggage? My bag hasn't arrived yet. Practice tips. Watch travel vlogs and repeat key phrases. Imagine each step from check-in to arrival and practice aloud. Learn vocabulary related to airports and flights.
Scenario 4. At the doctor's clinic. When you're feeling unwell, it's important to describe your symptoms clearly. Booking an appointment. I'd like to book an appointment with Dr. Mehta. Is he available today? I need an urgent consultation. Describing symptoms. I've had a fever for the past 3 days. My throat is sore and I feel very tired. I also have a cough and headache. During the examination, it hurts when I swallow. I feel dizzy sometimes. I've not been sleeping well. Understanding instructions. How many times should I take this medicine? Should I take it before or after meals? Do I need to avoid any food? Follow-up and pharmacy. When should I come back for a follow-up? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Thank you, doctor. I'll follow the instructions. Practice tips. Role play as a patient describing symptoms. Learn names of common illnesses and medicines. Practice asking and answering medical questions.
Scenario 5. At a clothing store. Shopping for clothes in English. Let me show you how to ask, request, and respond. Entering the store. Hi, I'm looking for a formal shirt. Do you have this in size medium? Can I see the latest arrivals? Trying clothes. Where is the changing room? Can I try this on? This doesn't fit well. Do you have a larger size? Asking about prices and offers. How much does this cost? Is there any discount on this item? Do you have any festive offers? Making a purchase. I'll take this one. Can you pack this as a gift? I'd like to pay by card. Returns and exchange. What is your return policy? Can I exchange this if it doesn't fit? How many days do I have to return it? Practice tips. Visit a store and practice small sentences. Learn names of clothing items in English. Practice describing colors, sizes, and fits. Thank you for watching this full English lesson. These 5 scenarios cover many real-life situations, and practicing them will help you speak English more fluently and confidently. Don't forget to pause, repeat, and write down new phrases. Keep practicing daily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which scenario you want us to teach next. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.